So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Samir Bhai crossover class 9th and 10th. So in our previous video we are shown that we have part 2 the tissue, part 2 the permanent tissue and their type. So we are come to the permanent tissue type number 1, which is simple permanent tissue, and simple permanent tissue and their type. So the simple permanent tissue. So in our first video we have seen that the meristematic tissue. Meristematic scene we have that the meristematic tissue have the ability to divide, and in the permanent tissue the ability to divide is not found in a permanent tissue. And in permanent tissue we have seen the two types of permanent tissue, simple or complex. In simple they do not have ability to divide, but they are only made of one type of cell, means they will only made of one type of cell, and they will function only one kind function. Means if the one cell perform protection, means the all cell in the inside the tissue will perform only function. And in complex tissue we have seen that there are different type of tissue come together to perform different function. Means in complex there is xylem. Xylem has different cell like xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, vesicle, tracheates. It perform different function by combining them. But in a simple permanent tissue they will combine with the same type of cell and perform same type of function. So in simple permanent tissue this is and simple permanent tissue have three types of parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So parenchyma. So first of all I have written some points. So the simple permanent tissue made up of only one type of tissue, means simple permanent tissue is only made of one type of tissue, means it will only inside a tissue there will only made of one type of tissue and which perform only one function. If it will perform protection or storage of some food. So function is to protection or the storage of food given to the strength, means it will give strength, protect or store food in the form of starch, oil, etc. So it come in three variants: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So first of all we are going to look upon the parenchyma. So parenchyma help in storage of food and give strength to the cortex of leaf and dicot plant. Dicot plant means the plant which have two cotyledon, means inside the seed it have two cotyledon. So it help in storage of food and give some mechanical strength. In our cell chapter we have seen that the cell wall give the strength with the help of cellulose present in the parenchyma. There is also cellulose present. With cellulose it will protect the cell, it will protect the parenchyma tissues. So it help in storage, means it store food in the leaves. In the leaves or cortex of the leaves it will store food. So parenchyma come in two variants, parenchyma and collenchyma. Parenchyma, by the name parenchyma, it is like air. It has a filled with the air molecules, means it give buoyancy to the plant to float in a water. It give buoyancy to plant to float in the water. In a wet plant, in a only hydrophytes plant, means plants which are in the under the water or the above the water, it will give plants to the buoyancy, means it will float in the water by air space inside it. So the parenchyma help in storage of food and give strength to the found in the cortex of leaf and dicot plant. We have seen this. And parenchyma give buoyancy to the hydrophyte plants to float in water, means it give buoyancy to float in water. And the second is collenchyma. Collenchyma means the help in photosynthesis to make food, means the parenchyma it will store food. When how will it store food? By making food in the form of photosynthesis. It will store food in the photosynthesis, the process that the plant take water from the roots and sunlight from the sun and the carbon dioxide from the air. So it will make food in the by the presence of chlorophyll present inside the leaf, the green pigment which is known as the chlorophyll. By this it can make the food. But in the parenchyma it is store food. But by how it is store food? By producing photosynthesis in the collenchyma. So we have discussed the parenchyma. So parenchyma and the two variants are the parenchyma and collenchyma. So in our next part we are going to discuss the simple permanent tissue type number 2 and 3, which is sclerenchyma and collenchyma. So I will tell you some points about the sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is the only one who has to give fiber, who has to give tensile strength to protect. Example like coconut. Coconut is the hard covering which protects is inside the seeds. So and the collenchyma give flexibility to plant. In our in our cell video we have seen the plasma membrane which gives flexibility. Like that, in a coolant camera there is a flexibility of plant to bend it. If the wind blow, then the how will plant is able to stand because of the coolant camera. Because coolant camera provides flexibility to plant to maintain maintain its shapes. So coolant camera. So there we will discuss all the two types of simple permanent tissue, coolant camera or squelent camera. So up to we have discussed the simple permanent tissue and type number 1, which is parenchyma, and that parenchyma type another two types of parenchyma and coolant camera. So thank you for watching my video.